Welcome to Arogya Shastra English channel. In the part 4 of our weight loss series, we will be discussing topics like how to lose belly fat faster without exercise. After losing the weight, how to maintain it for the lifetime. How to avoid cravings, and is high fat diet good for weight loss? To understand answers to these interesting questions, you must first watch part 2 and 3 of the weight loss series and the which oils are good for cooking that video. I'll assume that you know the concept from all of these videos. Let's jump to the main question directly. Does high fat diet works for weight loss? Fat nourishes brain and many organs of the body. Also, it helps to digest vitamin A, D, E and K. We have seen in the part 1 and 2 that a well-nourished person have less probability of obesity. There are two sources of energy. One is carb, another is fats. Fats helps to reduce dependency on carbs as a primary source. This allows us to reduce amount of carbs we eat. We have seen in the part 2 that reducing carbs help us to reduce weight. A healthy gut needs healthy fats. Side effect of unhealthy gut is obesity. So, we need a healthy gut and so we need to eat good fats. Fat transports cholesterols and cholesterol is a repairing agent. And we have seen in the part 1 that disorder-free body is less prone to the obesity. Fats gets digested slowly. This keeps giving energy for longer period of time. You will not feel hungry in between the meals. This reduces frequency of eating and indirectly improves chances of weight loss. Many members ask me question about how to lose belly fats faster. Here is the answer. Remember, this method is only for the people already having more than needed body fats. If you are already slim, then jump to the section where we discuss diet after the weight loss. Please remember this. If you eat less carbs, then body has nothing to store as a body fats. And body will look for fats as an alternate energy source. If you eat enough fats, then it will happily consume fats as energy source. But what will happen if you eat less fats as well? In this case, body will start consuming the reserves. That means it will start burning your stored body fats for the energy. Please understand this concept well. I'll repeat it for you again, as it is important to understand. What will happen if you eat less fats and less carbs? In this case, body will start consuming the reserves. That means it will start burning your stored body fats for the energy. This is key to lose body fats. You will see every week or month change in your body without needing to do any exercises. Belly fats will be last one to give response. But yes, it also starts melting. Happy to know how easy it is to achieve this? It is very easy to lose weight, but it is very difficult to maintain it for lifetime. We will be making this process easy. Please note that we will be discussing this topic again in details in the next parts of the series as well, as we will be learning more concepts. Here we will make some rules depending upon what we have learned till now. Let us look at the guidelines during the weight loss period. Reduce carbs to daily energy requirement. Do it by reducing quantity of eating grains and avoid sugars. Eat high protein, probably double than you are eating right now. Eat plenty of vegetables. There is no limit how much vegetables you want to eat. Eat less fats till the point your body fats are getting melted to your satisfaction. Reduce the frequency of eating. Limit that to 2 or 3 meals a day. Do not eat in between the meals, even snacks. More interesting guidelines to come in the next part of the series. Now, let us see the guidelines after the weight loss is achieved and to maintain the weight for the lifetime. Eat less carbs by reducing quantity of grains, avoid sugar, eat moderate amount of protein, eat plenty of vegetables, reduce frequency of eating, limit that to 2 or 3 meals a day, start eating higher amount of good fats. This is change than the weight loss diet. Start eating higher amounts of good fats. Your body should consume fats as energy source and so you will not crave for carbs. This way all your energy requirement for the day will be met. Also you will not feel hungry. Remember, we will be eating full for the lifetime. We have not discussed the complete diet plan yet. We are going to make our meal more tasty and more interesting and eating enough every day. For that, please watch next parts of the video series. So before continuing with the rest of the topics, in this video let me make a quick request. I guess now you have a good reason for subscribing to the channel if you have not already done so, and press bell icon for the notifications. All the good and scientific information is reaching to you for free. Please share this information with friends and family and help us spread the good information. Please do subscribe. As we are saying, we must eat lot of fats for lifetime, then make sure you eat only healthy fats. If you are eating refined oils, then I recommend not to eat high fats as they may cause disorders. Please remember, this is important. Do not eat refined oils and oils like safflower oil, peanut oil, rice bran oil, canola oils, sunflower oil, soybean oil. If you are eating these, please don't eat them in large amount. But if you are eating following oils, then eat them plenty. You can eat plenty of ghee, butter only if you are not allergic to lactose. You can eat lot of coconut oil, olive oil and animal fats. If you are eating non-vegetarian food, you can definitely eat the oils extracted from that or fats from that same animal. If you want to eat following oils, then eat them in moderate amount and preferably raw. Mustard oil, sesame oil, walnut oil, almond oil, flaxseed oil or avocado oil. If you want the detailed reason behind the list, then please check our video which oils are good for cooking. Link is in the description. Following are the few food sources which contains fats which you can eat for the weight loss. Avocado, cheese, full fat curd, nuts, chia seeds, coconuts, spinach, eggs, fatty fish, etc. Our ancestors knew the importance of fats. They used to eat raw oil with chutney, on the chapati, on the rice, with pickles, and while cooking the veg and non-veg food. These are all good ways to increase the fat contents in your meal. We are supposed to eat 2-3 times in the day, including snacks. If you feel hungry in between the meals, then you can follow below tips to control your cravings. Increase the protein intake in your meal a little. You will feel more satisfied and you will not feel hungry. Increase fat contents in your meal a little. It takes more time to digest fats and it remains for longer time in your gut. So you will not feel hungry. A good tip to avoid craving is to eat piece of coconut. It will immediately take away feeling of hunger. You can eat 1 teaspoon good oils like ghee, coconut oil or olive oil directly or with tea or as you like. This will also take away feeling of hunger. Even after all this, if you feel you cannot control cravings for sugar, then you can eat fruits rather than eating any refined sugars. Please note that if you have any existing disorders, then you need to consult your doctor before making any changes. You should know if you can digest high amount of fats, or you do not have low sugar issue, or any similar such issues. If at any time you feel low on energy, then you are doing something wrong. No diet should make you weak. Yes, because of changes, it is possible that for first few days you get cravings, 2-3 loose motions, etc. But you should never lose energy and never feel weak. If you feel so, then stop immediately and resume to your original diet and consult the doctor. Bigger risk is that you should not follow partial diet. For example, you are reducing carbs but not increasing fats because you do not like coconut oil or similar reasons. That is risky. Please eat enough and complete. If you have watched all the videos till now, then you are serious enough for the weight loss. Also, you have gained a lot of good information till now. I am happy to say that next parts are even more interesting and will make our diet more tasty and healthy. So please keep watching and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Please press like button if you liked the video. See you in next part. Thanks a lot for watching.